seventh day. The seventh son was looking for a seventh stage getaway. The wood came down from a blinding light. You got one chance, baby, 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 better do it right. Well, I was driving down on the 101. It was late at night and I was thinking about the things I'd done. All of my regrets and baby, all of my fears. I was slipping the car from gear to gear to gear. Man, I really got going. I started picking up speed. I hit 135 and I had everything I need. Started shaking bad, fearing for my life. I let go of the wheel and I flew into the night. God bless the child, God bless his soul, and God perish the idea that he will die before he's old. You gotta watch your step, or you lose your way. Well, take heed of the others and do everything they say. Man, I gotta watch out, the man that tolls the bells. But if I fear for the devil and I fear for myself, Lord, I'm gonna have to fear for everybody else. I am. I'm gonna fly. I'm gonna live until the day I die.